Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another video in the series on how I touch every piece of paper once, so to speak. This time, I'll be exploring my laundry room. As we enter the laundry room and turn to the left, we see a shelf with some laundry supplies on the left, and then on the right, I have some supplies for my car. I believe that this shelf does a pretty good job at adhering to this principle. On the left, my laundry tubs with detergent in them can be accessed without moving anything else. And the second one behind there, I won't need that until this one's empty, so it's not a big deal that it's behind the other one. These stain removers, obviously all of the same kind. And then I have some mineral spirits behind here, which kind of violates the principle, but what I can do is I won't do it right now, but I can pull straight up and remove that without moving the stain remover bottles. Over here, doing a pretty good job as well. You'll have to excuse the thunder outside. Inopportune timing, but this is the time I have for this video. Here, what do I have here? Some sponge and a toothbrush I was using to clean my washing machine. Some paint for my car, which I haven't used and should probably just get rid of, and some other dishcloths. These don't quite adhere to the principle, but I rarely use them, so not too bad. Not perfect, but not too bad. Obviously, the washing machine itself, not too much to be said there. I have a shovel, a lawn chair, some knee-high boots for times I've been going wading in creeks for stream monitoring projects. Down there I have in the bag, some Bluebird monitoring extra supplies. Here is a fence post driver I've used for Bluebird monitoring, for installing the boxes used during monitoring. In the front here I have some water shoes, in the back some old sneakers, 2 sledgehammers, replacement windshield wiper blades, a saw. All of those can be accessed without moving anything else, so I think I'm doing pretty good there. My broom is hanging from the end of that shelving unit. And then, of course, we turn to this shelving unit. Up above, there are some light bulbs in the back. Those are all of like kinds, so it doesn't matter that one is stacked on top of the other. I have some tape, and you'll notice that previously I had the tape such that I believe the painter's tape in the back was stacked on top of the duct tape, or vice versa, it doesn't matter. But now I've turned them onto their sides such that I can access them without moving the other item. And you can see the WD-40 can be accessed without moving anything else, as can this hammer, this little holder for metal tools if you want to keep them on your wrist while working. Here is just sort of a miscellaneous cup with a faucet aerator and some other items. There's some screws in there. This doesn't really adhere to the principle. I should probably sort that out, but not too bad. And then, of course, a case with some tools in them. And then moving on to the lower shelf, I have a lot of lint rollers, enough for probably years at this point. And then this is for testing batteries and for other electrical tests. Dryer sheets, a vice grip. These are extra fog light bulbs for my car. Fly swatter, a light, I think it has a magnet on the end as well, a ruler, some rope and string, and then a replacement cabin filter and air filter for my car. All of these can be accessed without moving anything else, and while these are stacked, they're all the same thing, so not a big deal. This is actually the outside doormat. It doesn't usually sit here. At my apartment complex, they are doing power washing this week, or at least are supposed to be doing power washing, so that's sitting on there for the time being. And then the dryer, of course, is there. Nothing really to say about that. There's nothing behind the door. Here I have some trophies I need to get rid of, actually. They're just there until I hear back from some people who They belong to what they want me to do with them. I'm keeping them there so they are out of the way, out of sight, out of mind. And there you have it. That is my laundry room. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope it gave you some ideas or maybe some inspiration for reorganizing your own space and making it so that you can access everything without moving anything else, or at least help you get closer to that ideal. Please let me know what you think, and I'll be making some more of these videos and potentially some other videos. I like to go hiking. I'm involved with some outdoor nature volunteering pursuits, so I might be publishing some videos that talk a little bit about that. But until then, have a good one and stay organized.